Hello there, it's Dia with WTI, and I'm holding here my own personal jungle, because you can't always have that indoors, or on your lanai. And that's when this La Jolie Muse planter comes very handy. It's possible to have a little bit of jungle wherever you are. So this is an indoor-outdoor planter, so you can choose to use it either indoors or outdoors. It's possible to use it either way. And for the summertime, I chose to have this on my lanai. And that's how I can take my jungle into my home. What I love about this planter is its sturdy structure. So you can plant bigger plants or smaller plants, whatever you're going for. So I decided to have like some of the outdoor palm trees and some of the flowers here too, to brighten up the lanai. And the texture is just amazing. Just look at it. It's so fun. It looks just like it came from a ceramic studio. I love the basic look of beautiful planters like this. This is a good choice for any home that wants to have style for their plant needs. And that is my point of view.